I'm here at the top of the house, and as you saw, the guys from below were up in the cherry picker, and Anthony is handing Steve and Cedric all the slates, and they're piling them all down there. And this is to make, obviously, roofing the house much easier work for them. So that's a good use of the cherry picker, which they actually brought over for the barn, the grange, and hopefully they're going to get started on that as well. Here's a few pics of the Velux windows that are going to be installed to add more light. As of right now, we've only got the window gables that bring light up onto the third floor here. So, this is early Tuesday morning. Signing off.